Welcome back to Learn BC. Please like and subscribe, share. Let's talk about fixed asset posting groups. So this one's a little bit funny. It's a little bit different from the whole series we've done just now. So we need to pay attention on this. We're going to go and obviously this is the introduction. This is the crazy world of Business Central posting groups. We're going to focus on the fixed asset posting groups and assets and how this all rolls together. So for a moment, let's bump into Business Central. In Business Central, I've searched fixed assets. You can see here I've got an example fixed asset, but this is a little bit more complicated. So let's go into the fixed asset setup. So you have here a couple of things that you need to consider. Starting off in general, we have classes. A class of an asset determines its financial, intangible, tangible. It's a category, okay? It's an asset class. It breaks down. And underneath this class, we have a subclass. Now from a subclass, we have an FA class code. Can you see those there? And then the default FA fixed asset posting group. Okay, so the link here in how an asset will turn around and pick up its posting group, it actually comes from the setup determining the class and subclass. But for the purpose of right now, let's go have a look at the fixed asset posting group. It's abbreviated here as the FA posting groups. Don't get distracted by the pages on current page. Go down to pages and tasks. And so here again, it's a setup that's all on the one page. You don't have cards, you've just got a list view. Here I've got a code that we make up. So these codes weren't loaded. It's not a flow field. It doesn't come from somewhere else. They're entered here and created here. And based on this, it gives us the ability now to break down all of our life cycle of the asset on our chart of accounts. Now, when we go back into the actual asset, we have a look at it. All we've done here is selected the class and subclass, and it already knows what the posting group is for that item. So let's go back. So as we've got on a document, we're purchasing it, we're selling it. A document creates journals, postings, and then relates straight through to the fixed asset posting groups. That determines what happens with your assets, where it sits, why it sits there in its journey from acquisition to basically decommissioning. And that is the fixed asset posting groups. So like, share, ask questions, reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.